How to fix Windows upgrade error code 0xC1800118 on WSUS. To fix Windows upgrade error code 0xC1800118 on WSUS, try 1. Install all essential updates via Windows Update or Microsoft Update Catalog. 2. Google how to run WSUS server cleanup wizard. Path, option server cleanup. Wizard. 3. Other tips are, 3.1. Detect whether WSUS is in a bad state. 3.2 Run WSUS classification where object filter script $_classification.title EQ upgrade WSUS classification disable command in PowerShell as admin. 3.3 Run these commands in PowerShell, admin mode $s equals WSUS server $1607 updates equals $s.search updates, version 1607, $1607 updates for each $_decline, $1607 updates for each $s.delete update, $_ID update ID. 3.4 Run WSUS classification. Where object filter script $_classification.title EQ upgrade WSUS classification command in PowerShell, admin mode. 3.5 Run the following commands one by one. Declare at not needed files table, file digest binary, 20, unique, insert into at not needed files, file digest, select file digest from TV file where file name like %14393%.esd. Accept select file digest from TV file for revision, delete from TV file on server where file digest in, select file digest from at not needed files, delete from TV file where file digest in, select file digest from at not needed files. 3.6 Run these commands in PowerShell, admin mode $sub equals $s.get subscription, $sub.start synchronization. 3.7 Run the following commands one by one. Net stop wow serve del %winder %software distribution data store asterisk.